Good news today for those working in the car industry there. BMW is set to announce plans to build its next generation electric Mini there. Joining me now is our business correspondent, Paul Kelso. Paul, just tell us more about these plans. How much money's involved here?
Yeah, this is a £600 million investment by BMW in the Oxford Cowley plant, where they've been making Minis for several years already, a commitment to transition this plant to full electric vehicle production. They'll be making the new Minis 3- and 5-door Mini and a new crossover Mini from 2026, fully electric, as well as the existing internal combustion engine models. And then by 2030, it'll be electric only, in line with the UK's target and mandate to ban the sale of new internal combustion engine cars by then. It's very good news for the 4,000 people who work at this plant. The city might be famous for its university, but as an employer, this place is extremely important to those who work and live in the city as opposed to just study here. The government is kicking in, I understand, around £75 million of subsidy in one form or another. That's a bit more than the rule of thumb here, which is if there's a big internal investment, it's about 10% of subsidy that's required. It's good news and it follows a trend. The government is shoring up existing car manufacturing and attempting in this transition to electric vehicles. So, big investment and subsidy for Nissan to build a gigafactory next to its plant in Sunderland. Really big kick-in of money for the Tata JLR gigafactory, which will be built down in Somerset. Also support for the makers of Vauxhall and Fiat Stellantis, who are now manufacturing electric vehicles at Ellesmere Port. But these are defensive moves to shore up existing manufacturing and transition it. It's crucial. The big missing piece here is domestic battery production, because the batteries that go into these cars in future are unlikely to be made in the UK.